Today we present Maggi noodles preparation in variety style. This is a Maggi masala recipe. It is very easy to make and super tasty. This is one of the tastiest snacks anyone can have. So this recipe helps you to prepare in a variety and tasty style. Take 1 pack Maggi noodles. Take 1 onion and cut into small pieces. Take 1 tomato and cut into small pieces. Take 1 capsicum again cut into small pieces. Take 1 green chili and cut into small pieces. Take a pan and put it on the stove. Pour some oil in it and put chopped chili in it. Next add the chopped onion. After add the chopped capsicum. Mix very well. Then add chopped tomato. Then add ½ teaspoon salt. Mix well. Then add 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, ½ teaspoon chili powder. Then add Maggi masala that get with Maggi pack. Mix very well. Then add 1 cup of water in it. Put the Maggi noodles in it. Cover the pan well. Cook very well. Children and adults are always like it. If you have lived in outside from your home, Maggi is always a part of your food. After the cook, add some chili sauce, soy sauce and tomato sauce in it. Again mix very well. Then again cook 1 minute in low flame. Add some coriander leaves in it. Serve it in a beautiful bowl. Now ready very tasty Maggi masala snacks.